Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by validating prerequisites. You need admin rights, remote desktop enabled, and no aggressive sleep policy. Once confirmed, open local group policy and navigate to remote desktop services, right arrow remote desktop session host, right arrow session time limits. Set the time limit for disconnected sessions to never so Windows won't auto log off. Also make sure your power plan won't sleep the machine. Change AC and battery sleep to never. Once done, save the policy and run gpupdate/force to apply these baseline settings immediately. Now you move into detailed networking. Enable TCP keep alives so the server and client exchange periodic packets and avoid idle dropouts. In registry under HKLM/system, /current control, set /services, /tcpip /parameters, set keep alive time to 300,000, 5 minutes, and keep alive interval to 1,000. Alternatively, enforce keep alive via group policy if available. Make sure inbound RDP firewall rules are allowed and network-level authentication is compatible. Once done, reboot or restart the remote desktop services to ensure registry and policy changes take effect immediately. Finish by implementing a practical persistence technique. Run tscon %session name %/dest console or create a scheduled task that calls tscon on disconnect to leave your session active on the server console. Test behavior using a second account so you don't interrupt your work. Check the event viewer under Applications and Services for RDP or group policy events if something fails. If you still get logged out, make sure session time limits weren't set at domain GPO level and confirm remote desktop licensing isn't forcing disconnects. Adjust policies and retest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.